Hey guys, so I forget when I last filmed. I know it was a few days ago, but today is Sunday. Ooh, hands-free. My hair looks a little funny just because I tied it back because I was like doing stuff. I'm just gonna continue this vlog for today because I don't know. Right now, I am about to clean my room. I know my vlogs are so boring just because for every single one of my vlogs, I feel like I'm always just cleaning my room. But my room gets dirty after like a day. I clean it and then 2 days later it gets dirty. It's just like that whole cycle. Especially this morning because I could not find an outfit for my cousin's graduation. Oh my gosh. But after I clean my room, I want to not redecorate my room, but kind of like fix it because, again, I know I always make videos about redecorating my room. Like, I feel like I have 700 million videos of some clips where I'm just redecorating my room. It's a problem, I know, but I recently rearranged my room and it's been like this for like a week or two. Actually, no, definitely longer, like a month or something. But I rearranged it and I had my photo wall right behind you guys because that's where my bed was. But now I have my Alex drawers here, so it's kind of like the photo wall is going behind it. It's kind of weird. I feel like I'm never gonna get like the perfect decor for my room. And this wall is still blank as it's always been. You guys, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys know that wall is always blank whenever I have redecorated my room. So hopefully we can do something with it. I don't really know. I have a lot on my to-do list also. Sorry guys, I know I'm kind of just ranting, but I have a lot I want to do. I'm just gonna read it to you guys. I have to research colleges because I haven't done that yet. I've done a little bit of research, but then I stopped, and I really just need to narrow it down the list. And then I want to make more headbands for my shop. I'm opening an Etsy shop to sell headbands, so if you guys are interested, please let me know down in the comments below or DM me on Instagram because I think that they would be really cool. They're all made of recycled fabric, so I get donations, hand-me-downs, thrift stores. I get fabric from all different places, wash the fabric, make them into headbands, and then obviously they're like one of a kind, so I would probably model them, but then when someone buys it, I'll wash it again because it's touched my head. And that's probably gross to some people. So yeah, and they wouldn't be too expensive because it's just recycled fabric, but I just thought it could be fun and interesting because like all one of a kind, that's really cool. It's all different fabric, or maybe there will be like, if it's a big piece of fabric or a big piece of clothing that I'm making it out of, I can make multiple of that one, but I don't know, I think it'd just be really cool. And then I need to call about a job. I also want to organize my music on Spotify like into different playlists because I've done that before, but it's kind of messy, not really how I like it. So I'm gonna redo that and just probably find more music. Long list. And then I have my English final that's due tomorrow. My last day of school is Friday. I feel like this angle's really bad. Okay, I can't really put it anywhere else. But my English finals due tomorrow. I have a lot of different finals due this week. I think I have 3 more finals, no, 4 more finals to end and counting in my English one, so I really have to get on that. Then I have to also see what stuff, I have clothes that I want to get rid of, like bathing suits and stuff, because I just ordered some things from Shein, bathing suits from Shein, and yeah, I don't know, long list. It's literally so late because I've been out all day. So I don't know how much we're gonna get done, but it's technically summer because finals, I mean, they're gonna consume a lot of my time, but at the same time I have a lot of free time. I said time so much in that one sentence. First order of duty is cleaning my room, and it's kind of messy. I said that. I'm gonna do one of my fun transitions because you guys know I love doing fun transitions. Alright guys, so I went to Walmart a few days ago and I got some clothes. I was gonna get more, but the dressing rooms were closed, and I didn't realize that until halfway through when my sister told me that the dressing rooms were closed. So like I picked up like those jeans that you see on TikTok, you know, the men's jeans, and then all like different, like I found these shorts in the girls, little girl section, but I got them in a bigger size and I thought they would like be cute. I don't know, they were like cool, I don't know, but I didn't get them because I wanted to try them on, and you can't make returns either. So I only got things that I thought I could like use or were cheap enough that if they didn't fit it would be fine. I'm just gonna show you guys. So first I got these shoes, and I've always wanted the Steve Madden shoes that have like this material and with the white straps, but the ones from Steve Madden are literally so expensive. I think it's Steve Madden. So I got these ones, and they were only $14, and they're really cute. Then I got this t-shirt, and it was from the men's section, and I got a large size. Yeah, I got a size large just because I really like big t-shirts in the summer just to throw on with like Sophie shorts. Or I could even paint on it, but it was like really cheap, only $3 I think. And I got the same one but in yellow, and I think I got a medium in this because I wanted to get a medium in both, but the other one only had a large. Not only large, but no medium. Yeah, I thought I could maybe paint something on them, like a little design or something cool. And lastly, I got this shirt, and it's actually from the little boys section. I just got the biggest size they had, and I thought I could do something with this. I don't know, the color is just so pretty, like lavender. You guys know I love lavender. And just this cute button down, and like although it's probably kind of ugly, like I tried it on and it didn't look that good, but I feel like I can definitely do something with this. I don't know. So now it's 5:20, and I'm just like I just got really tired like in the past 5 minutes. I don't know why, I just got so tired, but I think I'm gonna start redoing my room. Not redoing, just like moving around the decorations. I need to like get more energy somehow. Maybe I can like, I don't know, caffeine somehow, get it in my body, get it in my system. Alright guys, so I just finished my English final. I'm pretty sure my sister helped me like for the entire final paper, which is so sweet of her. She's such a good writer, and I think I finished it, which I'm really happy about. My sister's hopefully just gonna check it over one last time, and then I think I'm just gonna submit it. I just wanted to get it done before it got too late, and I just didn't feel like it. So now I'm gonna start moving around my decor. The first place I'm gonna start is this wall. As you can see, this is what I was talking about before. This is just like covering a lot of the pictures. And then for this area, I had my cool little area of pictures and I don't know, things, but now I have this big mirror here. This mirror is actually my parents' mirror, but I stole it and now it's in my room. I just kept it in here for now for like pictures and whatever. I wanted to get the same exact mirror but a white frame, but IKEA is closed right now, and that's where they got this mirror. And actually the mirror that I want is, which is this mirror, it's actually only $50, which to me is pretty good for like the size, and everywhere else I've seen mirrors are literally so expensive. So yeah, I'm hoping to get that soon, but obviously this huge mirror is covering all of this cool stuff, so I'm gonna have to take it down. And then I also had my ukulele hanging here, there it is, but I had two little rods sticking out, but I undid those, and now there's just two blue dots, and I don't want to take them out in case I ever want to put something in the wall again. I don't know. I could like make something funny out of that and put like a paper smile underneath it, but I don't know. There's a lot of I don't knows in this video because that's just how I feel. But something cool I put up here, I put this cool flip phone. I mean, okay, you're not gonna think it's cool because I know like it's so funny that I'm like putting a flip phone. Like people are gonna be like, I had a flip phone, and I actually never owned a flip phone because my first phone was when I was in 6th grade. It was an iPhone 4, I think. I never had a flip phone, but my dad found this whole box of old flip phones, and I just thought it would be cool if I like painted it or something and put it there. I feel like it gives a 2000s look to it, to my room. I don't know, I just thought it would be kind of cool. These shells, I'm so unsatisfied with. They look hideous in my opinion. But yeah, I'll start with taking down these pictures. We're just gonna ignore my hair. The job is done, and now I made 2 piles, and I don't know, terrible angle. I don't know, I made 2 piles. Okay, so this pile is the pile I'm not using just because I don't want too many. I just don't, no good angles. I just don't want too many photos, and then this is my key pile, but some of these I may not want. I don't know, I'm so indecisive. So I don't like the way this door looks, and I know I literally just did that door, I feel like. Well, not just, but kind of recently. And I just don't like the way it looks. I so want to paint something on it. Like, I saw this girl, her door had like cute little toddler flowers, almost not toddler flowers, it's not a thing, but just like colorful daisies almost, and it just looks so cute. But at the same time, in a few months I might not like that look, so I don't know. I mean, I can always repaint it, but I painted that door and it took so long to paint it. I just feel like it would be such a hassle if I didn't like what I painted. I want to go to a thrift store and find like a record album, like a record holder cover thing, what are they called, that I can just hang on the wall that's cute, but like I don't want to listen to, you know what I mean? Because I have cute ones, but I like to keep them in my pile. Alright people, so I made some progress. I took down all of the pictures on that door. It was such a hassle though, because I made the mistake of using sticky tack, and the paint on that door sticks to the sticky tack so much because it's more like matte paint. It just was so hard to get the sticky tack off. I chose the Polaroids and pictures that I wanted to keep, that I wanted to put on the big wall, that I think I'm gonna put them on the big wall. Then I chose pictures that I wanted out of the big pile that I wanted to keep. And then I also found this banana light that I've been wanting for a while. It's from Urban Outfitters. I'm almost positive. I remember looking at it, it was like $60 or maybe even more. I'm kind of guessing. But I remember it was really expensive. But then I found it on Wish for only 20 bucks. And that's so cheap. And like, even if it's like bad quality, it's still like a light up wall thing. And I just really want the banana one because people always call me Hannah Banana. And I just think it's cute. I don't know. It's just cute. So, this is one of the pictures that was on my wall, Cool to Be Kind, but I kind of want to paint this on a canvas or a piece of paper to make it look kind of cooler colors or something. Because then I also want this to be bigger, more like poster-like almost. And then I'm also just going to take down that stuff. Okay, so I made a lot of progress. I feel like I could probably add more things, but for now I think I'm going to be done because I'm actually really tired and it's only 9:30. But I'm still kind of tired. I'll just show you guys what I did. So I kind of just made this a little more spread out. So this actually should probably go a little lower. Okay, I just fixed this because it looked like a little odd. This still kind of looks a little odd, but I don't know. It works for now. And then I kind of, that also looks a little odd, but I feel like if I don't put anything there, it'll just look like a weird blank space. So obviously this is still a work in progress like it always is. But then I just did this, and I just put like a little smiley face under here because it looks like eyes, and I can't take these out of the wall. So yeah, and then I like this little area right here. And then I didn't do anything on the shelves yet. But then over here, I really like this so far. I added my favorite album cover, no, like record album cover thing. That's my favorite one. I think it looks really cute. And then just some pictures, and I made that thing. And there's still like probably more photos I can hang up. Like I still have more pics on my bed, but I kind of just want to wait till I get like, I want to add a big poster or something, like a painting there or something. But I don't know, I'll have to wait till I go to the thrift store to do that because I want to see if I can find something at the thrift store. But yeah, my face kind of looks oily and I look tired. Like, I also still want to paint this phone, but again, I'm tired and I think I'm just gonna go to sleep now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.